So I've been asked many times how to log in to apply for the Green Card Lottery. Very, very simple. Put in Google, or better to do it through Google actually. Apply for Green Card Lottery, press enter. And always it comes up first US Department of State. Make sure it's the official website, because some websites, what they'll do is they'll make themselves look like the Green Card Lottery, and then they'll try and charge you a fee. Some advantages and disadvantages to using them. Normally, they'll keep submitting for the next 10 years for you on your behalf. But there's also some disadvantages that they will charge you, and you never know if they do the job. So it's always better to make sure you do the job yourself. So you click on Diversity Electronic Waiver Form. Now, bear in mind, if you have applied for a tourist visa, you should declare that you've applied for a Green Card Lottery, because it's some kind of, you've made an application to settle in America. So anyway, so this is what you will see: Electronic Diversity Visa Program, welcome, entry instructions, photo instructions. I can't take you too far, because once we click on here, the first page will ask for your photographs, the first page. So I can't really take you far with all the questions, but it is quite a simple application. You will need your high school minimum. So then you type in, obviously here I've got a CTY JPB, type in that and submit. And then it's your first name, your last name, first name, middle name, very simple. If you're male or female, you click on it. Date of birth, very, very simple questions. You don't need me after this actually, but this is where it gets complicated. What you've got to add your photograph here. These are the instructions for your photograph. You can click on there and choose, and it'll take you to your files and things like that. So yeah, so that's why I've got to stop there, I'm afraid. So anyway, yes, obviously giving me that now. So anyway, yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps. Very simple, very easy, no complications at all.